Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another live stream. Just give me a moment and yeah, okay. So, first of all, today we have in the morning we did take a trade here. You can see this was my sell entry here. I was targeting this area, made around $128. Then there was another trade, another 50% was open, but it did hit our break-even trade. So that was a trade. Then I took another trade. I was hoping to give another chance to this sell entry. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, I was hoping this candle will have enough volume, and it was the last half hour left for the 4-hour candle to close, enough volume to continue going down and retest the zones, but it had a different way of going in. You can see this was the candle. I was hoping that it will close around this area and next candle could go up and retest the zones again before continuation of that uptrend or maybe downtrend. So right now what we have here, let me just do this. So we have candle have not come back down after that. Looking at the 1 hour time frame here, if we break below these areas, then it's really good for the cells. Currently this 1 hour have 26 minutes left. For this 30-minute candle, I'm expecting if we have rejected this area once on 30-minute, based on 30-minute time frame, I need this candle closing bearish as well, or maybe some kind of a confirmation before I take any entries. Okay, so if we close above, then I'll be taking buys and I'll be targeting, like, highs, this highs we have. Okay, that will be our 0.70%. But if we close below these areas, then I'll be targeting from here till this down, that will be 1%. So yeah, that's the trade idea I have for today's NY session. We have it in 1.5 hours. So till then, we're gonna wait. We're gonna answer some question if they have in the live chat. Or yeah, that's the thing. So today, do we have news? Yes, we have at 7:30 p.m. Federal Chair all testifies. I don't know how much this will impact gold, but we need to check out that based on news. But I think I'll be looking for most likely sells on these ideas. Let's take a look at the trading view as well, just to do some analysis here. So on dollar, I mean, we are just doing a consolidation. If you take a look here, based on 4-hour time frame, looking at the 30-minute time frame, even if I do reset the chart, what do we have? We have a huge consolidation. So I'm not expecting much volume because of the dollar or something, some moment in there. Hmm. So whatever we do, if we break above this area, then I think targeting this highs will be better, because keep in mind this is a really strong zone we have here. That's why I have put the line there, and we have below this. These are the zones we have below the for the support side. So even if I do based on 15-minute time frame, let's say I know that there are two candles have rejected to the top side. If I do take a sells on this candle, okay, I need to put stop loss above this area, and I am hoping that candle should continue going down, and after that it should break below, and then we can see the continuation. Okay, if we get a break of structure here, that would be a pretty good trade. But let's see, either we should break above or below this area to take the trade for me. We have 8 minutes left for this 15-minute candle to close. If we get a closure below, next candle could continue going down. Will be great. That could be our trade. And another thing, it's like how much? What's the time right now? It's for like we have 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour. What do we have? I'm not sure what price will do at that time. Okay, we are already approaching these areas. Let's take a look. 4 hour candle will be flipping bearish here. Interesting. If this kind of a bearish, we're good, right? Take a look at that. That 15-minute candle, it was rejecting, and like we have a strong areas as well. So if we get a break of structure here and here, yeah, let's see what do we have. See target 0.40%, 60% below that area. Yeah, well, lot size is 2 here. Let me just decrease my lot size today. I'll go with our regular lot size 0.1.70. Why is that? Because I think we are on a losing streak. It's good to, just manage our risk at this moment. Not increase the lot size, decrease the lot size. In past I have done the mistake, similar mistake like this one. Like at the time of losing big, I increase the lot size to get more profit, and I didn't. Sometimes I do get profits. Sometimes I just lost. No. Hello, brother. Hi, hi. So I'm just checking some things. Give me a moment. Yeah. So as I was saying that right now this 15-minute candle is rejecting this lows we have here. So most likely if we see now if we see the continuation of the uptrend, what we need is a break of the structure on the 30-minute time frame. If we get a this candle closing above this areas, That could be our buy entry and targeting this highs we have here. But most likely, if I was looking for sells, it would be really good ones before below this 2361, then targeting this lows we have. But anyway, I mean, like buys are good too for me, you know. We have a clean range till here, and then after that till here. So why not? Why not, right? Okay. So we have some people coming in right now. That's good. That's good. In next image, this 15-minute candle will close. If it close bullish, I'm down 1%. Bro, I'm down. You know how much I'm down totally? Like after the NFP thing, I think I'm down around 1.8%. Yeah, on the whole for data account. So today we took a loss of 0.20%, 20% or so. So yeah, that's okay. That's okay. We are totally fine. Keep in mind, we are not risking like a 3 to 4% or on a trade. We are still at least at a stage where we are not losing that much, or neither we are, you know, at a break even state. So like you can say that we are at a break even state at this moment on this account. But you know, how can when can you determine like I mean when can you say that you are at a better than the break even stage when you have at least 7 to 8 months of history? Okay, at that time you can say, okay, I made a profit in next 7 to 8 months. Now I'm profitable. 1 to 2 story what trade will do me good. Hmm. I mean, depends. Like if we get it today, why not? Okay. So let's say if we are risking today, we have our lot size 1.70. Most likely, let's say if we take a buys above this area, if we get a break of structure, we target the high, we can get 0.50% on the account, right? Pretty good trade, right? I can hold it like till there. And after that, if we get a better trade entry above these areas again, would be amazing, right? But I don't think so. I mean, there is a news at 7:30. So if we move here till here and we get a better news for gold, then price will move up. But if it's not a better news, most likely price will move and touch the zones we have. Let's do some weekly analysis. What do we have? So here's the thing. Okay, let's do some detailed analysis on gold before we take any trades today. So we had likely a consolidation area over here. You can see based on 1 hour, 4 hour time frame. Then we break above. You can see this. There is a huge weekly bullish candle closure. Okay. Now this candle will run 1 week. So in the next 1 week, what this candle can do, it could retest this highs we have. Okay. Or either it could just continue going out down and just close around this area 23110. There's two option there. Okay, now let's take a look. Let me remove these things. So we can see what to what to look at the market at today, right? Okay, so looking at these areas, we had a multiple rejections here. You can see this was the first rejection, this was the second rejection, and then price come and touch these areas. Okay, then we come back to those areas again, but we didn't reject it at that time because we had NFV. So we shoot up. We broke the highs over here. Let's mark those zones. Okay, so we break the highs over here. Let's say, okay, we break the highs. As we break the highs, keep in mind at the same time, next candle respected the high of the previous candle and it started rejected and started going down. Okay, that was another thing. So what I'm gonna do is mark this zone as a support area. Why is because price have rejected multiple times here. So if we break below this area, we have a clean zone till here. Okay. What is the another zone that we can mark it out? Could be this potential area we have. Let's target the high of this candle. Okay. Yeah. So what we see right now is that we are rejecting this wick level here. Okay. If this candle flip bearish, then we are expected to see price could move till down here and break the lows, and I don't know after what it can do. Most likely, if it flip bullish, sorry, bearish, then seeing coming price to at this lows will be surely a good thing. So we are now on 4 hour time frame. That was a daily. Looking at the 4 hour, let's see what do we have. If this candle flip bearish, then we are looking for a sell zone till here, till here at least. I think because we have rejected these zones right before, so I think till here at least could be a. Let's see what do we have. Looking at this right, so we had it after touching this area, we had a huge bullish run, right? We did tap that area right here right now. We had a little bit of a bullish run. Right now we never break the high of the previous highs. We are making the low, we continuation of the downtrend. So after matlab, most likely most likely here we touch the zones once and reject it. Okay. So if we do the same thing again, or if we don't even touch that area and reject here, that is the confirmation that this huge move was a fake out. Okay, then price will, I don't think so, will go back up and create a new high. But if price do break above these areas and break the high we have, and most likely we're gonna see a new trend. Most likely we're gonna see a price going up. Okay, because these areas are daily and weekly level areas. So if we get a break above those zones, I mean, yeah, pretty good one. Let me just. So what we are looking for is, after sell entry, we're gonna target this zone. But if you are looking for buys, that would be above this area. Let's go to 50-minute time frame. So we are looking for buys above this area in order to target the high we have. So let's see. That's the analysis I come up with today. So either we break above, either we break below. Simple as that. I'm gonna put my phone in charge. Let me put my phone in charge. Give me a moment. Okay. So we are approaching the resistance over here. Most likely, if we do get a closure above these areas, then looking for buys is pretty good. And our target will be this highs we have, or even you can target this highs at least. So we have 8 minutes before this candle close. If we get a closure above these areas, then buys will be valid. And I'm expecting the next candle should break first retest this lows we have. I mean, if we get a closure above, what I need is the next candle opening up, coming back down, rejecting these zones, second confirmation, and break the high, third confirmation, then price will continue going up. That's what I'm looking. Okay. I mean, looking at the setup on 30-minute time frame, price have rejected, flip bullish. So if I took a buy and instant what we call an impulse entry here, that would be pretty good, right? But how about we wait, just wait for 7 minutes? I think even in this next 7 minutes, even price do move this much, 10 pips, then still we have around 0.30% to target. Because if I take a trade here, my stop loss will be $200 or so, target will be 0.50%. Hmm. What do you suggest? What do you suggest? Like, what does your analysis say? Should we execute buy here, put stop loss below area and wait for next candle to continue going up, or we should wait for this candle to at least break and close above the area before continuation of the uptrend? 5 minutes. Let's do analysis on GU. What do we have? We are approaching we're still at the resistance point, so can't do anything here. I mean, looking at the based on 4 hour time frame, I did said that we should go and continue above till at least the zone we have. So we did tap that zone. After that, we rejected. Now, if we are looking for sells, then I think sells will be good if we break below this area until or unless. Yeah, this is a consolidation zone, so not taking any trade here. Either we will wait for the break structure of the below or the top side. So yeah, and based on this, I think we are in a choppy zone. I think even let's say if I wait for price to break above this area or below this area, could be a better confirmation trade. So we have 4 minutes still. Let's see if we can get a closure. Next moment above the point. We got 1 minute left. So even if the next 30-minute candle do open up and break the highs, and we take a trade that put stop loss below these areas would be good too. Let's see if we can get that much at least. Okay, so 1 minute, 15 seconds. This 30-minute candle is closing not that strong. So I mean, buys are not valid now. I mean, it just rejected both of the sides. So looking at the 15-minute time frame, keep in mind here that this candle closed after rejecting this area and this candle closed after rejecting this areas. So there is no volume here. There is no volume. Like I mean, most likely price is consolidating. So for me now, I mean, taking any trade here will be a little bit a problem. So I'll see what I can do. I'll see if I can squeeze a small amount of a profit on these trades. So we got 1 hour candle rejecting that zone. Okay. Even on a 30-minute time frame, we did reject based on 4 hour time frame. If we flip bearish, this could be a good continuation of the downtrend. Okay, pretty good. So let's see if we can just get a closure in next 15 minutes. Is this just a 15-minute do close below this areas? We can do take a sell and drive down till here or maybe here. Could be a potential good entry point. Trust me. Oh, no top wick. Oh shit. Mm-hmm. There is no top wick at the candle. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Let's see. I mean, right now, not taking any trade off. Okay. We are breaking the low. Did we break the low? Oh, we did not. We did not. We are still respecting the lows. So if we reject from here again, if we reject from here again, then most likely this candle will flip bullish. Hmm. We are breaking below these lows. Keep in mind, this is a 4-hour candle low. So if we break below this low, already I think we are flipping bearish here. But we did not yet. We did not yet. So if we flip bearish, most likely this will be our target, this lows we have. But the thing is, we need a candle closure before we take any trade. So I'll wait for this next 10 minutes. If we get a closure below that area, then I will be looking for sells. People, if you are watching the live stream, do leave a like. At least that will help us grow on this YouTube channel. So yeah, that's all I need. That's all I'm asking right now from you guys. Okay, okay. We did break the low. Right now we are flipping bearish on 4-hour candle too. So I mean, I would love to take a sell to be honest, but I don't have a confirmation yet. I just need a break of the structure at least here in next 9 minutes or so. That would be my entry point. Otherwise, not now. We have 7 minutes still. So let's see. Because the another thing is like we don't have a top wick on this candle. So we could see the same thing here. Candle could go down, reject, and flip bullish. So don't want that. If I take a trade here, we can most likely see that, or either we can see enough volume that price will move down till here. But the thing is, if I do take a trade, I need to put stoppers above this areas we have. Okay, we are still moving to the downside. Ooh, look at that. In next 6 minutes, I think this candle will cut up this much up. But yeah, I'm not taking a trade right now. You may ask why, because I'm sure this candle will close around this area as we have. And when it does, we can get another entry point while it reject the highs we have, this resistance we have over here. Let's say if even if we get a rejection at this point, we are good. So next and open, reject, and then continuation of the trend would be pretty fine, pretty good trade. Interesting. We have still 4 minutes. I mean, this 5 minute candle just went down from here to here. People, if you're watching live stream, again, do leave a like. No trend at the moment. We got 3 minutes left before this candle do close. So let's take a look at the 4 hour candle. Here we are targeting this low here. Okay. Just waiting if we get even a small percentage of this trade would be pretty good because we have not yet entered NY session. We have still, I think, half hour or so, or more than that. But let's see. So in next to 2 minute 30 seconds, what I would like to see is this candle stay below this areas. That's it. Then I can take a sell and assume that next candle will break the lows and continue going down. 1 minute left before the candle to close. Let's see. In the meantime, if you guys have any questions, ask me in the chat and we're gonna reply that. Okay. So I got around 1 second. Yeah. I'm not expecting that this candle should break the low immediately. I'm expecting it should go up, reject this areas, okay? Then if it break the lows would be a pretty good trade, okay? Let me just, I think if we have a less, what we call range here, I mean, taking a sell will be pretty good. Let's see how much we can get. If we take a sell here, target this lows, 0.40% in order to put stop loss above. Nope. Let's take a look at the 5 minute time frame. Here, 0.30% in order to target this lows, 50%. I mean, I need to put stop loss based on 5 minute time frame then. And we have moved this much. We have 30 minutes left for this 30 minute candle to close. Hmm, I think I'm gonna wait for some period of time because I don't feel comfortable taking the sells here we have. So yeah, we didn't break the low of this candle yet. Okay, based on 5 minute time frame, we are breaking the high of the candle. So if we do go here and reject and create some sort of uh, resistance, or you okay, so if you reject that, possible sells will be great. Okay, but right now, looking at this areas, I mean, sells, I'm not that comfortable right now because we don't have enough range. If I even if I do take a sell, we don't have enough range. Okay, and at this point, taking a buy doesn't make sense. We are breaking the structure over here. So most likely, if I want to take a sell, I need a better price action or some sort of confirmation before I do that. Amazing. So I think we are rejecting the this area, this key area we had. We had a chance to flip the candle bullish again, but we didn't. We rejected, and now we are flipping bearish. Then, then this could be a good trade. And we have half hour left for the. Hmm. I think I will wait right now. I'm not taking a trade right now. I'm gonna wait. See, we rejected this highs we have here. Now, if we are flipping bearish, now this could be a potential good trade. Let's see. This looks good. Like if we break here, I can put stop loss here, 0.30% of, but I'm still targeting 0.40%. That's one-to-one risk to reward. Possible chances are that we did rejected this highs and move till here. So if we do reject this highs and move till here, like yesterday we had this move. At what time? At what was the time here? We had at 14:15, right? So I think we have a news at 7:30 p.m. according to my time zone. So even if we are looking for buys and price should come here, interesting. Let's see. I mean, yeah, see, we had respected the highs here, and the good thing is that we didn't take the trade. Now it's candles flipping bullish again, so I'm gonna remove this because now the trade idea for me is not valid, right? So I'm gonna wait another half hour when the New York session does start. Let's see what we can see, what kind of a price action we can see, and based on that, we're gonna take the trade. Okay. Okay. Well, in the meantime, people who are watching the live stream do like it and ask any question you have or anything you want to ask. And keep in mind, on a 1 hour, we don't have a topic as well. So if we let me remove remove this. If I was looking for buys, that would be flip of this 1 hour candle. The next half an hour. Oh no, that's the 30-minute candle as well. Do you think in the next 5 minutes, we will have enough volume for this price to move from here to here? Hi, hi. How are you doing, Brad? How are you doing? Okay, so we are breaking the law of the previous candle. Even if I do like to take a trade, we don't have enough volume right now. I mean, if this candle do break the low right here right now, then I want this candle will continue going down. I need enough range, enough ability to take the trade. I'm not gonna risk the trade right here right now. Looking at this choppy price action, I don't feel like taking a trade here. What do you think? What do you think? Is my trade idea valid? Like we are waiting for the break of the structure. We did get it, and this 15-minute candle is breaking the low of the previous candle. But we have 4 minutes left. In the next 4 minutes, I want this candle to continue going down. Otherwise, new candle will open up, and it could break the highs and go up. So tell me your opinion on this. I mean, sales about to break even. That's pretty good. I mean, if you're taking a sell, that's good. We have 1 minute 30 seconds left. So, I mean, for me, I think the trade idea was here. Taking a trade here was the good one. Time frame, I think we are on right now 15-minute time frame. So, yeah, we have 1 minute left. In last 1 minute, if we do continue going down, I mean, we're gonna break the low of this candle, and I'm expecting price should continue dropping then. Chart. What do you mean by chart? We are on a gold 30-minute time frame. We are watching 30-minute and 15-minute time frame. This is the 30-minute time frame. This is the 15-minute time frame, and you can see at the top here is the time frame. So whenever I do change, it will be here. You will see it. You're welcome. So we got new 15-minute candle open up as well as new just open up. That's nice. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we have 30-minute left. For 4 hour, we have still 1 hour. Okay. So what I'm expecting here, if this candle do close a little bit to the top side, or I mean not closed, just reject the here and then break the lows. We can see I think price should continue going down till here. Okay, but that's a big if option, you can say, right? We do not trade on the if option. I'm gonna wait for the better confirmation before taking these trades. Okay. And keep in mind that we didn't have the top wick this candle as well. So if this current 30-minute candle do flip bullish to the top and side, I mean, no problem, most likely no problem with that. So taking a buy, let's take a look at 55-minute time frame. Hmm. Even if I wanted to take a buy, I don't think so. This is a valid opportunity. Sorry if I'm not. I'm just checking things on my end. That's it. Yeah. So yeah, price is not yet moving much here. So if you do break the low and if I wanted to take a sell, this would be a really risky options because we are approaching a support zone based on 1 hour. Pretty, yeah, not working for me. Not the trade I would like to take here, to be honest. And here's the thing, like if I do want to take a risk and put the stop loss above that 0.30% in order to target what? If price do reject from here, 0.25%, not a good trade. Another thing. That's another thing that if price do reject and continue going down, potential could be a good opportunity. We did break the low here. We are approaching the support zone here based on 15-minute time frame. So here's the thing. Here's the thing. Let's see how we could have taken this trade. Okay. So based on 15-minute time frame, I was expecting if we break below this area, then I will be ready to take this trade. Okay. I got first opportunity is the break of this low. Okay. If I have taken the trade here and put stop loss above the current high it made, I could have been stopped out, to be honest. Okay. And if I put above this current candle, that would be a bigger stop loss, not managing risk. So this was not a valid entry. The valid entry was for me was an impulse entry when price did break here and flip bullish based on 4 hour time frame. Okay. If I have taken that sell, then this would be a pretty good trade. And till now I had secured some profits and done it for the day. But yeah, we didn't we was no I mean sorry, my mouth. Yeah. So what I was saying is we could have taken the trade. Yeah. Break even at waiting for it to be bleed. I mean, if we break this lows we have here, most likely it will bleed till here. That's what I'm expecting, to be honest. But let's see what it does. Look at that. How much is this? We moved around 0.61%. After that, we moved back down 44%. We moved back up 34%, moving back down from there as much as continue going down. So Hmm. So if this 15-minute candle do close below these areas, okay, we are expecting next candle will break the lows and it should be continue going down till here. That could be an potential good entry point. Still, or should we wait for the NY session to start? We have 15 to 20 minutes only, right? We can wait for NY session to start and then. So congratulations who have taken the cells. You made it. You made. I think the trade should be at break even now. And yeah, let it run. Let it run. Close only 50% and let it run. We have 2 minutes left. Okay. God, centimeter left for this candle to close, right? Right. Interesting. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wait. I think I'm gonna wait this 17 minutes. So I'll be back in 70 minutes, guys. I need to drink something. So give me back in 15 minutes. Okay. I don't think so. I'll be able to take this trade here we have, because I think even if I do take the trade, I'm pretty sure that there might be a chances that this trade can be a fake out. So yeah, I'm not gonna take this trade right now here right now. I'm gonna wait. Okay. We got 15-minute candle closure in about 1 minute 30 seconds. Okay. So yeah, let's wait and see. Yeah, great, great. Congratulations to enjoy. If you're done with the profit, if you made your 1%, then I mean go home. That's it. Don't trade more than that. So I'll be back in 2 to 3 minutes. Sorry, not 15 minutes. I mean, we have, let's see, we have 55 seconds. I'm going to wait for 55 seconds, see how these candles are closing before taking any trade. Let's see. Because we already break the law of the 4 hour candle here. Okay. If we should continue going down, we can see price could have moved till here at least. And that could give us how much? 0.50%. So why not just take that much, right? Either this will be a fake out, price will reject and go up, retest this highs, or this will be price will continue going down till here. We have 5, 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. This candle did stay below, respecting the lows we have, went up and reject. So what we like to see here, if this candle do go up and reject the zones, then break the lows, could be a pretty good trade. Now, how about we take this? Yeah, we are in the trade. I'm putting stop loss a little bit less. That is 1.70, sorry, 0.10% or so. Because if this candle do flip bullish now, then that means this was a fake out. Okay. If this candle do continue going down, I'm expecting it should continue this much. So yeah, I'm not gonna risk more than that this here on this trade. Let's take a look at 15 minute 5 minute time frame, just in case. Are we giving enough room to this trade or not? So I think putting stop loss above this candle would be fine. Hmm. Yeah, I think here putting stop loss above this area will be fine. I'm targeting these zones we have below. So that would be my trade entry point. Let's see if we can secure at least 0.30% out of this trade. Would be pretty good one. We got 2 minutes left before this 5 minute candle close. If it close bullish and below this area or above this area, that was important for me, you know. We have 2 minutes 30 seconds. So if this candle do come close near here, I'm gonna close 50% of my loss. And yeah, okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna hit our stop loss possibly. Let me just put this aside for now as I was going, but taking this trade was like possibly could be a good one, but not sure. We still have 1 minute 50 seconds. You're still respecting this area. This is what I want. If it close above, not a good trade. And another thing is like we have a 223 like 2 pips spread. So that's why we might be risking here. I didn't count that. Did I count that? How much? I did not in the 10 pips. 1 minute 20 seconds. If we get a closure above this area, I'm gonna close the trade. If we get a closure below this area, yeah, that could be still okay for me. Got 50 seconds. And let's see. I think this candle will flip bullish. Yeah. See, so I'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay. I'm gonna wait now. I'll be back in 15 minutes. This candle did flip bullish. Most likely we will see a rejection and continuation of the uptrend. So yeah, be back in 15 minutes. Really sorry. That took me really some amount of time. Sorry. Sorry for that. But yeah, I'm back. So what do we have? So price did went up. Now it's rejecting. We have no top wick at the 15-minute candle. Let's go to 1 hour, 4 hour. So basically we have 37 minutes. So we have two 30-minute candle. Is this what we call accumulation, manipulation, and distribution? I mean, what do we have? I mean, let's see what do you mean, right? Okay, we go to monthly time frame here. Let's again remove things. So okay, so looking at the monthly time frame, this is not the right structure to be honest. This is what you show when you are connected with a broker or something. So sometimes the candles are printing differently than the other brokers. Okay, so the point is here we do not have a proper wick on the monthly time frame, but it does have a small wick. So we break the high after going recover, rejecting from below. Going to weekly time frame over here. So what I'm expecting here, we rejected once from here, and we are still respecting that zone. So so what do you think will happen? We rejected once, so I'm expecting this candle should be coming at this area at least, right? So this closed here, right? It should be coming at this area, and we had this was a strong resistance. It break out, and yeah, so we had some what we call ranges and then breakout. Based on daily time frame, we call this as a range, right? Now looking at this daily time frame, daily candle, it did flip bearish. Take a look here, it did flip bearish. So if I'm looking for sells, will be really good if it break below this area. Okay, so we have clean range, clean traffic till here. Okay, going to 4 hour time frame. Let's draw some area here again. So what do we have? Let's see. Let's go to past price actions. So I'm gonna create this another one and target this as a high, as we rejected that, and now going back, now going down. So we got a confirmation that price is in a trend that will be a sell. Okay, we got one confirmation on based on 4 hour time frame. That is a huge uh thing. I mean, take a look. Here we had this drop. We touched this area, then we had a drop till here. Okay, so even if we respected this area here and then we are breaking the lows, then we are seeing the structure here. Okay, let's go to a smaller time frame to understand this properly. We had a trend, we made a high, we break that high over here. Okay, came back, we are making like respecting the same high and now breaking the lows. What does that mean? Okay, what does that mean? You see a trend. Okay, till here I'm gonna target this. Okay, then we go down here. Okay, we go up again to the top. We go down again. We respected the same levels here. Keep in mind, we respected the same levels. We went up again. I mean, even a kid knows that what kind of a structure is this, you know? So I know this look does like, you know, not that good, but it is what it is, right? So, okay, yeah. So we seen that it is a head and shoulder pattern, but that is a structure. It's just a name. So this gives me another confirmation that price might be trending to the downside. Okay, that is a another like on the daily and a 4 hour time frame, it gives me more confirmation that price may trend in the sell. Okay. The only problem is here for me is that we have a multiple support zones. So which we're gonna draw here. Let me zoom in a little bit. So we have this a strong zone on 30-minute time frame. Okay. So this is a strong zone. Okay. Now, if we break below this area and hit below this lines, most likely we are looking for such. Keep in mind, we have a news at 10:30. So we are away from that time. How much? 1.5 hour. So we have 1.5 hour left before we take a proper trade. Till then, I think this was a consolidation zone. We were trapped into that, and we can get a proper movement after 7:30 or at the time of the 7:30. You know, so let's see what we can get. Okay, you can hear me properly. Everything is fine. Everything is working good. Okay, so that's the analysis. That's for me right now. This is like a consolidation zone for me. And if I am looking for sells, okay, that would be like, let's see where we can get the sells opportunity based on daily time frame. And so we got this candle flipping bullish. Even if based on weekly, price could come to 2334 till here, break the low. We have clean range. Gold is rejecting. Gold is rejecting from where? So let me remove this. We have multiple rejection zones here, so I'm gonna mark that as well. We have multiple rejections from this areas. So if we break above or below that zone, this is a strong support level we have. Okay, so yeah, and we have this. Most likely, even if we reject from here and go up. So I'm not sure when the gold will flip bearish and break these areas and go down. But if it's today, then potentially we should be looking for sells below these areas. Okay, but if I'm looking for any other trades for buyers, especially that would be above this zone 2368. Okay, that would be my buys above the zones because we have a pretty strong level here. So if we break, we had once break, we moved down this much. Now this is the second break we had. So if I'm expecting that price will come down till here, then yeah, I mean it's possible. So it could be because of the news. It could be because of whatever. Let's see. Let's see what we can get. This we already made. I think we already lose around 0.50% today. So whatever I am risking after in NY session or after 7:30 at the time of 7:30 would be the end. Like that would be the last trade I will take for today. Because overall, if I look at overall, I think we are down more than 2%, I guess now. Yeah, we are down almost 2% on this trade now in this account. So most likely whatever trade I am willing to take should be like good one. Should be a good one. I know I'm sure that I won't be able to make all of the money back in one day or a week. I just need to stick with what I have. Hey, we had a too much consolidation here. So even if I stuck in the consolidation here, even if we get a rejection, at this points again, then could be taking a buy is not bad as well. So let's first do one thing is reduce my lot size to one. Whatever trade we take, we'll have a less risk today. Okay, so sorry. Mm, man. So our trade idea did play out here. We did close bullish. 30-minute candle. We are respecting thing. I think for now, if we reject this, okay, if this 30-minute, 15-minute candle flip bearish, then taking a trade will be a good option here now. Let's see based on 4 hour time frame. Yeah. So if we get a bearish momentum, let me just add up. So if we turn bearish from here based on 30-minute, 15-minute time frame, I'm gonna be taking a sell. Simple as that. Even if we touch this area, or reject or whatever we do, if once we break below or turn bearish from here, I'm going to be taking sell. Target will be the zones. Yep, that could be a potential good entry point. That final trade of the day. Okay, we are flipping. I mean, we are rejecting at least. Let me put it. Let me put this here. Okay. Bearish. Putting stop loss above here will be good. Targeting this lows. Okay. What do you think, people? I mean, we were looking for sells here. We didn't get opportunity here. We priced it rejected looking at this zone. So either we reject here because this is a new 4 hour candle. If this flip bearish now, we most likely gonna what do you call wick. Here we have last 4 hour wick, last candle. We're gonna break that and continuation till here, or maybe I don't know where. I'm looking for this zone, but most likely this have multiple rejections here. Price is going nice. 30-minute, looking at the 30-minute candle. I mean, now if this candle do reject and close, oh my god, would be a amazing factor rate. I'm just waiting even if we get a smaller rejection. Why did I move this? Go to 30-minute. No, go here, go here. Gonna mark this here. So okay, I think we are tapping this zone. Let's go to 5-minute time frame. How much time we have? 30 seconds. Interesting. So waiting if we got one bearish candle, even on a 5-minute time frame, I'm gonna take the trade. I can put stop loss above and still, how much is this? This is still a lot, so not gonna take that. Because daily candle did flip bearish, right? So here we did flip bearish. So if we are breaking the lows over here, most likely we're gonna, you know, till here. Let's see where is it. So yeah, if this candle flip bearish, I'm expecting there will be enough volume for price to continue down till here. So let's see if we can get it. How much time we have for the news? Oh, exactly 1 hour. Exactly 1 hour left. So we're breaking above the zones we have here. Okay, now this is not a valid trade point. We're gonna remove it because we did break above the zones we had. So most likely we're gonna be looking for a better entry point either once the 15-minute candle closed, which will be in next 9 minutes. So that should be here. Okay. Let me remove this because I know where is the candle flip. We have multiple rejections at this point. Even if this 5-minute candle do flip bearish after this, pretty good trade still. I'm gonna still be able to take the trade here. As I was expecting, 4-hour did went up. See, I was expecting when the new 4-hour candle open up, it will go up. And then I'm expecting we have a rejection either this areas or let's see, let me just add this up. Even if we get a rejection at this point, this wick here we have, go to 30-minute time frame. Okay, so 15-minute, we don't have, I mean, much of a bottom wick as well. This 5-minute rejecting, even 5-minute reject, I'm ready to take the sell. Turn bearish, I'm ready to attack the sell here, putting stop loss above. That is a too big of a stop loss. What do you think? I mean, let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If this candle do want to flip bearish, or I can eventually take a trade here, wait for the candle to flip. What do you think? Anyway, we are rejecting here. Most likely we are rejecting. So as I'm gonna target here. My stop loss just changed above this area. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We have multiple, we have good amount of here volume. So yeah, if we break this lows again, then I think we might see potential to the top side. But what I'm expecting is to price to continue driving down. Because if this 30-minute candle do flip bearish, this could be a potential good entry point, you know. You might see price here. So I'm just waiting. Once this candle do flip bearish, putting stop loss at break even, and yeah. As I said, like we should respect this left hand side areas, right? We are still okay, flipping bearish over here. Pretty nice. Okay, we flip bearish. I'm gonna be risking only 30% now on this trade. Once we tap into these zones, I'm gonna put the stop loss at break even. We have 5 minutes left. So let's go to 5-minute time frame to manage our things. Yeah. I think yeah, if this cannot now we're back to the zones. Yeah. We have 15 seconds. Let's wait. Okay, closing 50%. Should I close 50%? What do you think, people? Tell me. If we break the low, putting stop loss at break even would be a good trade. We are still in a risk of 0.20%. So I just oh look at that. We are still pushing. That shouldn't be happening, right? But keep in mind, we are still, if we reject this, that means we are about to go up. I'm hoping this candle should not. How much time do we have this candle? 4 minutes. If I'm able to let this trade run for 4 minutes, I think we might see a good potential. Let me see where is the strongest. Okay, my stop loss is good. I think wherever it is. So yeah, losing 0.30%, that is a pretty good stop loss. I'm okay with it. Let's see if we can let it run, let this trade run for 3 minutes. In next 3 minutes, I'm expecting this candle should break the lows here. Ooh, we are so close. I mean, putting stop loss above the wick will be too much at the risk. But yeah, I mean, should we close? I mean, I think I have a sense that price should flip here. So that's why I'm moving stop loss because we had a huge momentum on 15 minute and 30 minute. So that's why I'm waiting for 3 minutes. If we break this highs, yeah, not taking the trade. But let's take a look at 1 hour. What do we have? Yeah, see, even this 1 hour candle do flip bearish. Yeah, let's take a look. We have multiple rejection. That's point. Mm, yeah, I'm gonna hold this trade because if I manage the risk on this trade, I'm pretty sure I can, you know, be good on this one. Once we flip bearish, I'm sure we will have enough volume for price to continue moving down, tap the zones. Yeah. And for news, we still have 45 minutes or so. We still have around that much time. I hope my voice, yeah, I'm audible, pretty good. How much time we have for 30-minute candle to close? 17 minutes. – 15-minute will be closing in 1 minute. So waiting for that. Once this 15-minute candle close like this much, you know, but let's see. If it's just stay below this areas we have, like based on 15-minute and 30-minute and 1 hour, pretty good trade still. I'm still expecting the price will reject and continuing down. If it break this high again, we might see a continuation of this still high, this high. This is what I'm talking about. Let's see. Yeah, this is like, I think this is a pretty good trade. What I'm targeting is a pretty good trade. As long as this candle flows, rejecting, I think we are good. So if it's let's say if it close, above these areas, most likely that could be a problem then. In 21 seconds, oh, price is touching the zones we have. I'm gonna close 50% if we close above that area in next 10 seconds. Let's modify our position. Let's close 50%. If we close above, surely we're gonna close. We did close above, but we're still respecting here. Okay. So yeah, close. So overall, we lost 0.70%. So I'm gonna let ooh, we have good amount of a bullish momentum here still. I think looking at the zones, most likely we should reject and come back to this area we have to the downside, but I think I need more confirmation before I took any other trade. I mean, not taking any other trade, I'm just gonna let this trade run because I'm pretty sure we should reject here. We have multiple rejections after that price have, you know, gone down. We had this rejection here. So if price goes above these areas, not looking for anything then. Let me just adjust my stop loss above this. Yeah. You see here, price have, rejected multiple times after going to downs, and when we did break above below these areas, then we had a big momentum above the, you see this, most likely if it stays below these areas, we should see price continuation till the daily candle here. I'm gonna wait for that. I'm gonna see if what we can get here. I mean, we could grab this liquidity here and then go down, because what we did last time is, we did drop. So we did drop and then we did collect this areas, then we had a huge drop. So that was at 14 or something. So we have some period of time still. Give me a moment. Yeah, so still price is pushing here. Most likely, I think this is not a good trade run. I mean, I was expecting we should see huge volume with a new 4 hour candle, but I think we have half hour left before we see any volume again. So based on 4 hour, we have a 4 hour high, which is this. Break this highs, then we should expect that price will continue going up. If we break this low again, which we already did, interesting. Let's see what we get done. So we have half hour. Let's say next 30 minutes. If this candle we see a flipping of this candle and price do push down, could be pretty good thing. Or if it push up, then we might see volume till here. So I'm gonna wait and see. Let's see. So we sell here, looking at the 1 hour time frame, expecting that price will cover up this week and go below this areas. And what price did was opposite. It had bullish momentum. Are you in? Yes, I am in this trade here. I don't know when did you comment it, but I was focusing on this trade. I was expecting. So I think my trade ideas are not that valid this last 3 months. What we have? We have 2.3%. Interesting. I'm still waiting. I'm still expecting some rejection of these areas based on this time frame. Okay. Let me show you why. You see this, we have multiple rejections here, right? So I'm still expecting a rejection to drive down till here. We have 6 minutes. Let's see if we can get any rejections in less 6 minutes or so. Otherwise, I think next candle will open up and go shoot up till the top, which I really don't want to see. Looking at the 5 minute time frame, we did, we rejected this high. We are still respecting that high. We have not broken above that high. So, I mean, that's a pretty good thing. Even if we do break, right, we have multiple rejections. After breaking, I think we might see another rejection. That could be the great idea. That could be the potential rejection, and price could start moving to the downside. So we have still half hour left. Let's see if we can. This 5 minute candle is going up. Look at that. Then the last 5 minute. Ooh, okay. This is not what I expected right now. We have too much volume in the last minutes. So if we get stop out, that's okay. We lose, we lose. We got 15-minute candle closure in, oh, even 30-minute candle will close in 2 to 3 minutes. So yeah, I mean, we did respect the high we rejected. So even after this, if we do, continue going down, because I think that's what we should do. We still have 1 hour candle running. So I'm expecting once we flip bearish here again, we got closure on a 15-minute time frame. Could be a pretty good trade. We'll double down if the trade idea works at the time of a news or whatever. So 15-minute is like you can see the volume is slowing down here for me. According to me, this is a good thing. Based on 15-minute time frame, we got a new candle just opening up. So now what I would like to see, let's see how much spread we have, 22 pips or so. So from here, from this current candle high till that, we need at least distance of a 2 to 4 pips that we have, I think. I'm still gonna move a little bit. Yeah. So now if we break the highs, okay, and then reject, that could be a good one because we need one candle closing bearish, either if it's after rejecting or after breaking the lows. I think 30-minute candle did close as well here at the top. See, so that's what I'm expecting. Now, whenever price do go down, first we break the highs, move up a little bit, then we go down. Okay, we did here same thing. Okay, then we had a candle bearish closer, and then price started moving down. So if we see the same thing here, that's why we're gonna move a stop loss a little. Okay, because I'm giving a room because I'm pretty sure if this candle go up and then break the highs, then I'm expecting this is the highest it can go. After that, I'm expecting a rejection. Price can be back into the range. Actually, you know what? Because looking at the 1 hour time frame and everything, let's take a look at the 4 hour. We are so near to close the break of the high here. So if this candle break the high, then reject. That is another confirmation, right? So that's what we are expecting for price to do. So if this 30-minute candle do reject the high and flip bearish below these zones, then that could be a potential second entry point from price to move down. Because this is the last thing I'll do, right? We are already down 2% on this account. I don't think so. I'm gonna risk more than this. No, not I mean 2%. Today we are down around 0.60% or so. Either for like for half an hour, we just range here, okay? And as we have news in next minute, once this 30-minute candle do close, we have a news, right? So either we're gonna break above and all, or either we're gonna break belows and continue right on. Because for me, this is the proper area. You see first rejection, second rejection, third. This is a proper resistance. This one was a fake out. So I'm not expecting price to go above these areas. Okay. What I'm expecting is to price should, consolidate here and then drive down. That's what I'm expecting. But yeah, anyway, we'll see. Okay. So I think we are approaching the highs of the candle. Most likely if we break it, I'm expecting a rejection then for price to moving down. Or either even if this 15-minute candle stay below these zones, that's a potential good thing too. I mean, I was not expecting that price could have enough volume to continue this much up. Now, looking at the 4 hour candle, we are breaking the high of the previous candle. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. Yeah. So most likely we have news in half hour or so in next 23 minutes. So either next candle will open up and break through these areas and come to the highs we have here. Okay. Let's see. Let's go to the minute time frame. So we need a closure above these areas. I mean, sorry, we need a closure below this area for price to, still move to the downside before we can see anything else. But I guess that's it for me. I don't think so. I'm gonna take any other trade. For today, we have lost 1.3%. That is far I will go. So yeah, that's it. That's it. At the time of the news, I will be checking the market, but I'm pretty sure until or unless I find a really good opportunity to take the trade, I won't be able to be taking any other trade here. So till then, thank you for watching the live stream. I'm sorry if you guys are losing with me, but I don't advise you to, take a trade with me. Most likely, I'm learning here as well. So sometimes we have a losing streak, sometimes we have a winning streaks. Right now, I'm on a losing streak. So do the opposite. Whenever I take the trade, do the opposite. Okay. Thank you for watching the live stream. See you tomorrow. Till then, if I take any other trade on this one account, will be posted on Discord. Join the Discord. See you there.